Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to transfer money from belfius. So friends, log in your account. This is the first step. Log in your account with your all details. When you log in your account, you will see this dashboard. As you can see here, you have the option here to log in your account, as I say, and then select a transfer option. Look for me product. When you click this one, click my product and then choose a transfer. When you choose a transfer, select your recipient, write your recipient and IBAN and the names and all information. After that, choose your amount you want to transfer. Click where here this account, for example, and then click send option. So friends, click me product and then click send, write your all details. This is how you can do, guys, to transfer your money. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video. As I say, log in your accounts with your all information. After that, select your transfer on my product from here, my product, and complete your all details here. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon.